So we're going to use the psoas spine. We're going to put it on the floor, and we're going to get into our feet. This is also great when you're traveling on an airplane. Take those shoes off. Hopefully your feet don't stink. And then just lightly just start to massage your feet. It's great with these two peaks, these two rows here. You can really get into those arches, and especially when you're wearing socks. I'm not wearing socks right now, but if I had some socks on, it could feel even better because then I can slide down these peaks. And then the little valleys between the peaks is nice because then I can encase, especially that outer part of my foot that can get really tender, especially if your shoes are really tight. And then just changing from the back by the heel and then up by the toes can feel really nice. This surface area is really nice. I can change it sideways and get some more long stuff, working up and down in that arch, get into that heel. Be really mindful of what type of shoes that you're wearing. I know that sometimes, really nice fancy shoes are hard to not wear because you want to look good, but those things are squishing your feet and like putting them in some weird spots. So really using this at the nighttime or even in the morning to really help get that your feet back to normal, and so your feet don't get all squished up. And then also remember that if you're having issues in your feet, do not neglect your calves. Go check out those calf videos for the psoas spine, for the psoas RITE. We have some ones also with the psoas mini. You can do some stuff with the psoas neck and psoas back. The psoas stick, really get in there. If you're having feet issues, a lot of times it's coming from your calf being super tight, and that's a referral pain. Okay, but another great tool while you're traveling, psoas spine to help get into your feet. Give this a go next time you go, and let us know how you felt, and let us know where you went.